We are back with the Law and You right here on Eyewitness News, back in the legal chairs where we like to see them, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Welcome.
I tell you, we should take the Law and You on the road one day, though. Me,
That's a neat
you,
idea.
Greg,
Yeah.
we'll get out there.
Now we just got to come up with some spots.
There you go.
That's the next step. All right, we know we're going to get you the question right now. That is definitely the next step in the Law and You. And tonight's question is from Jamie in Scranton. Jamie says, my brother was working as an iron worker and he picked up a big piece of metal. He injured his back and told his coworker he didn't file a report till the next day. The supervisor is giving him a hard time, and I told it is time to get a lawyer. He has been working as an iron worker for 20 years and was never injured. Can your firm help? What can you do for Jamie in Scranton?
Well, we definitely can't help you. I mean, we handle a lot of workers' compensation, but the issue. I mean, he said that he reported it the next day. Is that when he reported it?
Yes, he did let a day elapse.
Yeah. So that's where you're going to be. That's where your fight's going to be. They're gonna fight you on that this particular incident didn't happen at work because there wasn't a report that was made contemporaneous with this incident. And all of a sudden you go home, you come back. Who knows what happened after you left? After you left work, did you hurt your back at home? These are all going to be the questions that you're going to have to answer as you move forward in this litigation. So they're going to deny it on a notice issue, and saying that this particular incident either didn't happen at work or you had some type of pre-existing condition that they weren't aware of.
And under the law, you're well within the time frame.
Yeah.
The problem is it's 120 days under the law, but what happens is they get into a courtroom, the lawyers, everybody starts fighting over this notice issue, the employer's saying, what else could have happened, and that's the defense that you run into all the time. So what happens is the judge who hears this case has to make a decision on credibility and who he believes. That's what's going to come down to. So obviously, the closer, we always tell people, report it immediately, fill it out, go to the doctors, make sure you tell them exactly what happened.
And in this day and age of cell phones, text messages, if you have a call to somebody saying, hey, I hurt my back, whoever that particular person is, that supervisor, a witness, or text messages, don't delete them. These are all going to be things that can corroborate your story and substantiate your case. So those become very, very critical pieces of information.
All right, and those that need to talk to you over a legal situation, how can they do that?
Yeah, we do a lot of workers' compensation, so give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. We got them all covered.
Still waiting on that first Snapchat question.
Somebody's got
to happen soon.
Somebody's got to Snapchat us.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, have a good night.
Thank you.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.